Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Alkaline is musically on top as he is the first dancehall artist to rank 1, 2 and 3 on Apple Music in Jamaica. The Formula DJ who secured the top 3 spots with his new tracks Cree, Not For Like and Ocean Wave is also trending at number 1 on YouTube with the release of his new video for Ocean Wave, which racked up over 650,000 views since its release over the weekend. And also trends in the second place for his track Cree, which generated over 1 million views since its release on May 23. Alkaline's album New Level Unlocked, released back in 2016, has also received renewed interest as it currently sits at the number 2 position on the Apple Music Top Albums chart behind Lila Ike's debut AP The Experience. Alkaline is best known for songs such as Champion Boy, City and Formula. Now, on the heels of his trending versus battle, dancehall icon Beenie Man has released new music. Beenie Man yesterday released Do You Wanna Be That Guy?, a track produced by Natural Bond Entertainment and Sponge Music, which sees Beenie Man capitalizing on the viral catchphrase he used when he dismissed police officers who showed up to end the party early during his versus sound clash battle with Bounty Killer on May 23. So me ask, do you wanna be that guy? We stop dancehall from rising high. Me ask them, do you wanna be that guy? Beenie Man has also released a Versus-inspired t-shirt collection showcasing merchandise logoed Do You Wanna Be That Guy?, which comes with a barcode which says scan and listen Beenie Man versus Bounty Killer. Don't miss it. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.